Another beautiful day in Havasu. It's only about 107 today. Clear skies, light breeze. Today we're gonna give you a tutorial on what's in the yard. Thanks for watching. So in the yard, we're working on a late 90s Kawasaki 1100 ZXi for a customer. Then over here we got a couple of Yamaha Wave Runners. Family friend of Havasu John's son rented them out while their parents were out of town, and they came back totally hammered. So we're doing a little body work, a little paint work, getting these things back to looking nice. This is what happens when you rent your skis out, folks. They come back totally hammered. Then we got this Kawasaki 750. It's going to be a donor for this 77 Kawasaki 440. All right. Then we got Project Chief we're still working on, waiting for parts. So, the jet boat, doing some floor repair, motor work. That's an STX 1100 right there. We're taking the triple out of and putting it in the 750. And that's John Sea-Doo SPI. Gonna pull the motor out, take it over to Monty at Monster Watercraft, have them do the crank seals and rebuild the carburetors. All right, man, thanks for watching. Oh, FedEx guy, time for some parts. Yeah, what are you doing, little bit? Besides guarding the spray guns and the painting supplies. It's too hot for you to be outside? Yep.